Morning everyone, my topic is about types of commercial photography. So, first is advertising photography. So, advertising photography, it aims to evoke emotion, tell stories, and purchase a product or service. Madalas din itong gumagamit ng creative props, lighting, and editing techniques upang gumawa ng mas maganda at nakaka-impluwensyang karanasan. Second is architecture and interior photography. So, architecture and interior photography are specialized field that focus on capturing the essence of built environment. Magkaiba ang kanilang focus and techniques pero parehas silang gumagawa ng visual compelling images na nagpapakita ng beauty, functionality, and character of spaces. Third is automotive photography. So, ang automotive photography is pinipicturean nila yung mga sasakyan para ma-promote, at sa paggawa nila ng automotive photography, nilalagay din nila yung mga awareness about sa car features at ang benefits nito. So, fourth is food photography. Ito naman yung pagkuha ng mga magagandang litrato sa pagkain at dapat attractive tingnan para maengganyo ang mga makakakita at bibili sila nito. Is product photography. So, product photography is represent a product and advertising, and minsan yung mga owner ng product is kinukuha nila yung mga sikat na tao para i-promote yung product nila para mas maraming maengganyo at bumili ng kanilang product. So, sixth is jewelry photography. So, jewelry photography, ito naman yung pag-capture ng mga magagandang images ng bracelet, necklace, ring, and other jewelry items para is journalism photography. So, ito naman yung kumukuha ng picture about sa mga nangyayari sa paligid at gagawa nila ng story or report at ilalagay nila sa news. So, 8 is sports photography. So, sports photography, ito naman yung kinukunan nila ng litrato yung mga magagandang galaw ng mga player. And that's all the type of commercial photography. Thank you for listening and watching.